Bandikatte. I have done my bachelor's in electronics and communication from KLS VTIT Halyal. So I am an incubation batch, so I'm grateful to my college and Jspiders for giving me opportunity to learn quality Java from Jspiders Rajajinagar. For me, Java was taught by Keshav sir and Uday sir, programming by Sharik sir, SQL by Bhuvan sir, and web tech by Syed Imran sir. I do not know about other JSpider branches, but if you want Java to be hardwired in your brain, you would like to be trained under by Uday sir specifically, because you won't get the detailing in Java anywhere else. Keshav sir will give you the inspiration and the driving force to be a Java developer. Bhuvan sir made us write 100 queries each day, which gave us the ability to solve queries blindfolded. And special thanks to Sharik, Imran Syed and Irshan sir for their support. And finally, I thank HR for providing various opportunities and links to apply for a job. Thank you.